How to find Air Transat special offers. Hello, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can find Air Transat special offers. So the easiest way is to open your browser, then open a new tab, and in the new tab, type out Air Transat deals page and click enter. And so you see your flight deals, special offers. Select that, and then you'll be taken to the best deals page. So on this page, you can now go ahead to browse out offers. You can see various categories and all of that. So on this page, you can see the special offers that are available. All right, you can see for your location special offers, special kinds of trip or packages depending on your location. That is where you're coming from and where you're heading to. You can see the featured deals. You can see different kinds of categories. Like you can see round trip from all states. You can see the prices. You can see Europe flights, South flights. So you can go ahead and explore, check out the special offers that are available for each of these. You can even search it out. All right, you can search out these offers and you'll be able to have access to them. So this is how you can find special offers on Air Transat. It's very straightforward. Okay, very straightforward. Thank you for watching and have a nice trip.